God have mercy upon us.
Okay, mount your camera on a tripod, alright? Then you walk into the space. You can use lighter or matches, but you can see I'm using matches here. Light it and do as if you pick the light, okay? As you pick the light, look at what I am doing. You move your hand to any direction you want. This place depends on the duration of your video, how long you want your video to last, okay? How long you want it to last is how you are going to move your hand. Whatever style you want to do, even though you want to point the light to the ground, you can do all the styles here, alright? After moving your hand now, the next thing we are going to be doing is you locate your Chrome browser, okay? Locate your Chrome browser, click on Chrome browser, write free pick here. Look at what I'm going to be writing now, free pick, okay? You search it. After writing free pick, click on search, click on go there, it will search. Look at free pick here, go and click on free pick, then you allow it to load. When it loads now, you will see this interface. Look at this interface. Then you come here and click on search again, then you write candle flame. Look at what I am doing. Write candle flame. After writing candle flame, you still click on search and allow it to search. Candle flame, look at it. Then click on search now, allow it to search. Now you will see different candle flames. Look at them here. You keep scrolling to look for the one you like, the one you want to use for this, your work or your video, alright? Keep scrolling, alright? Keep scrolling, right? When you see the one that you like, look at this one now. I want to make use of this one. Then you click it and hold it. Click and hold for some seconds. Click and hold it now. Click and hold. Yes, this interface will come. Save in photos. You click on save in photos, alright? Now it has installed. Then minimize this place and go back. Then you head over to Capcut, alright? Save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut, new project. Import your video to workspace now. Click on it and go and locate volume. Click on volume, reduce it to 0. Mark on that good and go back. So at this point, let's locate where we want the video to start from. Okay? Look at this place where you're about to light the matches. That is where you are going to click and make a split, okay? Delete the first part, we don't need it again. So at this point now, immediately you are about on the light, this point, you click on overlay, alright? Click on overlay now. Click on overlay, add overlay, photos. Then import your light. So at this point, you want to click the light and adjust it to where you want it to stop, depending on the duration of your video. Alright, at this point where you blew the light, okay? So leave it there, go back now. Then you click the light. As you click it, click on splice. Click on splice now, guys. Click on splice. Then click on filter. Look at filter there. Look at the light now. So at this point, we want to click on keyframe. After you adjust the light to the point of your hands, look at it there. So you click on keyframe. After adjusting the light now, the next thing is you click on keyframe, alright? So after adjusting it, click on keyframe now. So at this point, you begin to adjust the video, then you adjust the light to your finger. Look at it there. So as you are adjusting the video, you are adjusting the light to the point of your finger. Take time here because this is where the magic is, alright? So that you will not make mistake. Just take time. As you are adjusting the video, you are adjusting the light to the point of your finger, then the key will be adding automatically. You take time to do your own gradually, so that you will not make mistake. Follow the steps I am making it here. Follow my own steps so that you will not make mistake. Do it gradually. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorial. And if you are enjoying the video so far, give us thumbs up. All right, you are welcome to the tutorial. Follow what I am doing. As you are moving the video, you are adjusting the light to the point of your finger. Do it gradually. All right, play with it so that you will not make mistake. Look at this place. You need to take time here. This place where you are about to blow the light. Take time there so that you will not make mistake. Take time to do your adjustments. All right, you can see what I am doing. I am taking time there because I want to get the actual thing. So at this point, look at it. Right now, we are going to play the video to see what we have got. All right, but you can see I am still here. You will take time here so that you will get it very okay and perfect. So at the end of all your adjustments now, we are going to be playing the video to see what we have got. But as you are playing the video, you should take time to watch. If there is any mistake, that is when you are going to correct it. Look at the video now. You can see what we have got. Look at what we have got. All right, is this not good? Yes, it's good. It's good. So this your video, I believe and I think, is ready at this point. So what will be remaining now is, after watching it and you see that there is no mistake, you will go and cut out the unwanted part at the end of the video. All right, look at it. At this point, I believe and I think that this video is ready. So at this point, we are going to be cutting out the unwanted part now. So click here. You are going to be making a split here. Click here, make a split, delete that last part. So at this point, this video is ready. What will be remaining now is to add your other effects. Okay, your light effect, your sound effect, if there is right up you want to add, as the case may be. After adding all those things now, you can now export your video. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to do it, I want you to pull me through. Don't worry, we have got you covered. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me, I will put you through. At the end now, you export your video. Look at it. Then you export your video to your gallery. The video is exporting. All right. So now the video have finished exporting, so you can now share it to your social media handles. All right, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay safe.